Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
So, hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Lately, I have been getting many requests to make video with Chia. Especially, you were asking me about how I introduce new concepts to Chia. So today I thought why not to film a video. So today I'm going to teach Chia about even and odd numbers. I haven't introduced this concept to Chia yet, and today is the first time I'm teaching her. So love, today we are going to learn about
Even
numbers and
odd numbers.
numbers. Yes. As you can see, I have two sticky notes here, and on one sticky note I have written even numbers, and on another one I have written odd numbers. Okay, love, can you tell me few numbers?
Yes.
Tell me.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so these are numbers, you know that. So there are two types of numbers. Few numbers are even and few are odd. So we have these action figures. They come in Kinder Joy, and Chia loves Kinder Joy, and we have been collecting these for past 2 years. But you can use anything. You can use Lego pieces or blocks for this activity. So there are two ways to tell whether the number is even or odd. One is by doing and second is by looking. So in today's video I'm going to share both ways. So I'm going to introduce this with very fun activity. For that you will need like I told you earlier, we are using these action figures, teeny tiny action figures. If you want, you can use Lego pieces or blocks, and you will also need some kind of rings. Here I'm using hair ties, but you can use bangles or thread or even paper for this activity. For the time being, we are going to keep them aside. And we have these. How many are these? Count them.
1.
Quickly, fast.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very nice. We have 8 of these. 8 is a number. Now, how do we know that 8 is a even number or odd number? Let's say these are rings. Okay. We have these. Let's use this. Now, we are going to make their pairs. What does pair mean? When there are two, it's called pair. Okay. Yeah, so these are pair. Now you have to keep
Pair.
pair means two of them in one ring. Now keep two here. Yeah, any two. Yeah, you can choose. Keep two here.
Keep it there.
Fast, leave it, it's okay.
This.
Yeah, you can keep any of those, you know.
This is
So we have how many pairs here?
this.
4. And do we have any object left? No. So this means it's a
0.
yeah, 0 object there. So leave it now, Shunu. So we have 4 pairs here and we don't have any object left. So it is a even number. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to make pairs, and if there is no object left, it means it's a even number. Okay. So now let's say we are going to add 3 more. Chalo. We already have 4 pairs. Make one pair here.
This.
Hmm.
And
Yeah, this. Now, but there is only one left. We can't make it pair. So if there is only one left, it's called odd number. Yeah. So what are even numbers? When we have number of objects and we make their pair and there is no object left, so they are called even numbers. What happened?
I looked one side and I couldn't look other side.
It's okay. I'm going to repeat one more time. Okay. So when we have group of objects, like we have different number of objects, and first we have to make their pairs. When we make their pairs and no item or no object left, it means the number is even. But if there is some object, like if there one object is left,
And it means it's odd number.
very nice. You got my point? So now we are going to do this on a worksheet. Okay, we are going to practice one worksheet for this. Let's keep them aside first. So now we are going to practice one worksheet for even and odd numbers.
Tell them one question.
Okay.
So we are going to count by doing even or odd. Count
Here you have to count.
we need to count these
Yeah, and we have to make their
And
pair.
we need to write a number here and write how many they are here.
Yeah, you have to write number here, and here you have to write whether the number is even or odd. Okay. Here, like, we have different number of hearts. So to know that whether it is a even number or odd number, what we are going to do? We are going to make their pairs. So we are going to make, this is one pair.
Here.
This is 2, 3, and 4.
But one's left,
Yeah,
so
one
it
left.
is a odd number.
Cool, very nice. So how many are these hearts? You have to write the number here. You have to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So write 9 here. And 9 is a,
A1.
it's even.
No, odd.
Yeah, odd. Don't just make a guess. One left here. So it means it's a
One.
odd number. So write odd here. O double D.
D.
Yeah, O double D. First, what we are going to do?
Make their pairs.
Yeah.
1,
Hmm.
2,
Very nice.
3,
Hmm.
4.
So, is there any object left?
It's
no.
a even.
Very nice. So, it's an even number. You can write
4
even here
plus
first.
4.
Yeah, 4 plus 4 is? 8. Cool.
A.
Even. E. Very nice. So as I told you earlier, this is the first way of teaching even odd number, that is by doing. So you have to make the pairs, and if there is no object left, it means the number is even.
And if there is a 1 left, then
yeah,
it's odd.
Odd. Very nice. Good job. Give me 5. Very nice.
Even numbers by looking odd numbers.
Okay, so now I'm going to share the second method, that is by looking. But here I will suggest, whenever you are introducing even odd numbers first time, always start with by doing method and practice that for a few days, then you can move on to by looking method. But for the sake of video, I'm going to share this method today only. So these are even numbers and odd numbers. So a number ending in 0, 2,
4,
6 or 8. If number ends with 0 or 2 or 4, 6 or 8, it's even number. Like we have 2, 4,
like
6.
they show that the ending of which in like 0, 4, 2,
Shana.
6 or 100,
Yeah.
which is the biggest number on the
No.
ending.
Listen, Shunu, listen. You just have to remember that if number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it's even number. And if number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it's odd number. Okay, so here are a few examples of even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, then 20, 24, like here 24, so 24 ends with 4, so it's even number. Now this is 56.
Yes.
56, what's the ending number here? 6.
6.
So it's even number. So we have
And
100
this is
here.
100 and
Ending number is
ending number is
0. So this is even number.
even.
Okay.
Okay.
Now for the odd number, which are odd number? A number ending in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. 1 is odd number, 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number. Same way, this is 13. So which is the ending digit here? 3. So 3 is an odd number, so this number is odd. Same way, this is 35. 5 is, so this is 35. Ending digit is 5, so this is, next we have 51.
Yes.
So the ending number is 1,
Now
so
can
it
I
is
tell them?
odd number. Okay, this is the second method, by looking. Like you have to ask the kid to look at the number and then tell whether it's an even number or odd number. So again, numbers which end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, those numbers are even numbers, and numbers which
Which?
end with And the numbers which end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. We have 17 here. So tell me whether 17 is an even number or odd number. Just look here.
17 is a odd.
How?
No, even.
How? Don't make a guess.
Odd.
Just decide one, whether it's even or odd.
Even. Odd.
You are getting confused. Why it's odd? You have to tell me why.
It's odd because which are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9.
Very nice. So here ending digit is 7. So this is odd number. So now you have to tell me, okay, let's say 60. So 60 is an even number or odd number?
Even number.
How?
Because 0, 2,
It has
4.
0
Yeah.
here.
So 0 is the ending number.
The number
and
ending is, this is ending digit is 0 here. So this is even number.
So I hope today's video was helpful for you, and if you are planning to introduce even and odd numbers to your kids, then start with method 1, which is by doing, and then you can move on to method 2, that is by looking. Do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or doubts related to this topic. And if you found today's video helpful, then please give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.